What is up? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I decided to do a day in my life, a hectic day in my life, because today is going to be very hectic, like very hectic. Today I have to make a lot of videos, put up Christmas tree. Right now obviously I have to take a shower, make breakfast and all that good stuff. So keep watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And if you're an OG, if you're an old subscriber, hey, thank you for coming. Okay, let's get going. Okay, I'm gonna take a shower. See you later. Y'all are ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, just finished taking a shower, doing the glam, all that, and this is my outfit for today. So right now what we're doing is I'm going to make breakfast and make breakfast and start preparing for the day. So let's go make our breakfast. Okay guys, welcome to my little kitchen. So right now we're going to make breakfast and then eat the breakfast, record a video, put up the Christmas tree and all that. I'm going to be making one of Ghana's typical breakfast. It's tea, but we don't call it tea. It has a brand. Let me show you guys. So with this yeah, so every African, I'm pretty sure you know what this is, especially if you're Ghanaian or Nigerian, you know what this is. So yeah, I'm going to be making this with eggs and all that. You guys are gonna see it, so let's go. Okay guys, so I have here my ingredients. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see it. Yeah, you can't see it, but how am I gonna do this? Okay, so let me show you my ingredients. So I have here some eggs. You know what? Yeah, I have here some eggs, as you guys can see. I normally use vegetables, so I use like tomatoes. I use tomatoes and onions to make my breakfast because healthy choices. So let me wash the stuff real quick. Right now I'm gonna start cutting the onions. I'm gonna start cutting the tomatoes. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done cutting it. Now that I'm cutting, we can talk. Let's talk. So what is going on right now with my channel and all that good stuff? So what's going on is that school happened. I promised you guys I'm gonna upload every single week, but school happened, life happened. It's been hectic, I'm not gonna lie. College applications, that's for another video. So there's college application, that's for another video, because I have to tell you guys my experience. Yeah, guys, did you know that tomatoes is good for your heart? So if you didn't know that, now you know. Eat a lot of tomatoes. It's good for your heart. It prevents heart disease. Yeah. So right now I'm cutting the onions. Do you guys like onions? Onions is good for your eyes. I don't know why I'm turning this into like a medical thing, telling you all the health stuff. But yeah, onions is good for your eyes. Onions are antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. How do you even say this word? Anti-inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory. Yeah, however you say it. Yeah, English is not my first language, I'm sorry. That's always my excuse, man. Nigerians will pronounce it anti-inflammatory. Ghanaians will pronounce it Ghanaians say anti. Okay, Ghanaians will say anti-inflammatory. So anti-inflammatory. Okay guys, so I have here, can you guys see it? Yeah. So the tomatoes is down there and the onions is on top. So the next thing I have to do is put in a little pinch of salt. Yeah, so I'm gonna put a little pinch of salt. This is not a cooking tutorial, so I don't need to show you guys what's going on here. I mean, I promised you guys I'm gonna show you how to make my pizza, but yeah, I'm gonna show you. I promised I will. Right now I'm cracking the eggs. I should have showed you guys earlier, but yeah, 2 eggs because yeah, I eat 2 eggs. I'm not. Whew, this is a lot. Look at that. I whisk it with a fork because this is like a small bowl. Ooh. Okay. I can't show you guys. So right now, the next thing we have to do is grab a frying pan. Start frying our eggs. Have my frying pan all ready. Oh no!
No! Ah! No!
I forgot. So guys, oh god, this is like the realest video ever. I don't have a stove to cook. I just wasted my whole time. Okay, so this will go in the fridge. Okay, when we get our when we get our stove, I can make it. Oh god, you guys are getting you're going deep into my life too much, man. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm glad we're back. We're back, okay? So I have here my tea. Oh god. So it's like chocolate drink, but yeah, we call it tea. Oh my goodness. So this is it. Yeah. So that's how it looks like, and I'm just eating it with bread. Ghana bread. Hey guys, so I just finished eating right now. Now what I have to do is put up the Christmas tree. I think that's the first thing I have to do. Yeah, put up the Christmas tree, and after that make a video. So yeah, let's go. Oh guys, I'm so tired. Let's go put up the Christmas tree. I think this one is close, so we can do this one like this. So guys, this is what I've done so far. I put this up. Normally it's a bell, but the bell is small right there. So yeah, and I have the ornaments. I don't have a lot of ornaments, but this is all I have. And I didn't even do the back of the tree because like I don't have enough ornaments. So this is all I have. Guys, let me show you how it looks. Wow guys, I'm so tired. I just finished putting up the Christmas tree, as you guys saw. It's so tiring. Oh god, what else do we have to do? I have to make another video. So that video I made was putting up the Christmas tree video. Now I have to make a video. I was thinking, you know, to either drink ginger ale or Coca-Cola, so I choose Coca-Cola. Whew. Ah. Okay, I don't have a straw with me, so I'm just gonna drink it from here. Oh. Okay guys, so right now I'm preparing to make the video. So what I do normally is, you know, I come up with an idea of what I want to do, and then I go to other people's channel and see how they do theirs, and you know, change some things up about mine. This place is so blank. Like, I mean, it's Christmas, So I'm gonna try to put the Christmas tree I made on this chair. Let me see if I can do it. Let's go. Alright guys, so right now I am all ready to start recording the video. Yeah, so I'm just combing my hair. Yes, so right now I'm all ready. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.